Hey guys, it's OP Almaraz here with Restoration Mastery. This is the week. The Air Summit 2019 is here. So you guys, if you haven't gotten your ticket yet, it's not too late. Jump in, look at the link below, and sign up. It's 2 days of disaster restoration training of real-life application ideas, guys. Stop making excuses. The Air Conference is Thursday and Friday, and Restoration Mastery Bootcamp, boom, Saturday. You get to walk away with a roadmap that you can then implement into your business the day that you return back to your company. The most powerful thing you can take away is to be able to understand where you're gonna go the next week, the next month, the next 6 months. Join me, be there. I look forward to seeing you guys. And for those of you that have not signed up, join Air right now, get on there, and then add the boot camp, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Peace.